What is going on, guys? I'm Pete Bennett. You're watching Big Bennett TV, and the fans here are the Benneteers. What I'm doing today is I'm taking a nice little drive out. It's a nice day to go out. It's cold out, but I got the hat, fresh hat, as you can see. Got the top, got loads of air conditioning. I'm going to look at some campers because I need some good campers. Checking them out, and we're gonna see if I need to buy a camper or not. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And there's some parked out right now at the old world's famous Cabela's that actually just closed down. So I'm gonna go check it out and see what they got. We're pulling up right now to all these campers, but it looks like it looks like it's closed today, guys. I'm not sure, but if anybody's interested in,
that's closed.
Shoot, eh? If everyone's interested in like some development opportunities, you can pick up this old Cabela's place. Do you think they should buy it, Pops?
They sold out.
Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like we're not gonna be looking at any campers today. But are these good campers that you would like, Pops, or no? Or probably not, because you don't like the hitch and ball? Well, this one's a straight sale at $29,000. Good price. It's a Tracer. This one right here's got like a solarium. Yeah. The old Vengeance, or the Arctic Wolf. Jeez, these are some big ones, eh? This is like a perfect size for you, the Forester by the Forest River. Wow. I don't know, Pops. They're probably all locked up too.
Yeah.
Or are you looking into maybe getting like something like a like one of these beasts, like a Hampshire?
Yeah, let's see. What's up?
That's a Crusader and a Saber. Yep. Well, guys, I guess we got here a little bit too late. So we're going home empty-handed, no trailer, no nothing, except some dreams.
Well, I'll hold the car then.
Yeah, I went back home, disappointed, got my shades on, got rid of my hat because it's starting to get a little dark out, and Trish wanted to get some grub, so we're gonna go stop by Ches Leo and get some seafood. We seafood, we eat it. I'll meet you guys there real quick. That right there, guys, that's the world famous Ches Leo, and now we gotta wait to go on this one-way bridge. That's a lie.
No, I have my credit card though.
Do they take credit or debit?
Well, oh wait, I have cash.
Yeah, guys, this is the famous Ches Leo. Fried crams and cocket frits. So, we're here. Trish, what are you getting?
I don't know.
Trish don't know what she's getting, but I'll tell you guys what she's getting. She's gonna get the clams.
No, I had those yesterday.
Because that's the only thing she knows how to order is the clams.
Why do you talk like that?
Because you only get clams.
That's the only thing I know how to order. It's not the only thing I know how to order.
Alright, she knows how to order fries. And...
I might get the lobster roll.
oh, she might.
I don't know.
Well, let's see, guys, in a second. So we just pulled up. Trisha's gonna... is this your first bite into your Putin?
With a fork, yeah. They forgot to give us forks.
Really?
Yeah.
So after 5 minutes of waiting for our food...
no, it was more like freaking 20.
20 minutes? Take another bite into that lobster roll, and we want to hear that commentary.
No, I'm not going to on camera, but the lobster roll here at Chesleo is very delicious.
Really?
Mhm.
And the poutine here is out of 10?
It's good. It's like I don't know, 1 out of 7.
It's a 4 out of 7.
No, it's like a 1 out of 7.
So there you guys have it. It's about a 4 out of 7. Whoa. It's about a 4 out of 7 here. And I just want to excuse the wind noise that we're having. I ordered a micro muff off the internet because I noticed in a couple of my videos the wind's just killing my sound. So I'm gonna get that micro muff, and I'll do a review on a micro muff just because some other people might be wanting a micro muffs. And also I'm gonna show you the view here. We pulled up in a car, and we're right on the water here. This is water view eating. And it can't be Big Bennett TV unless we're eating on the water. Now let me show you what we got here, alright guys? A close-up. We got the typical Mountain Dew, because we always eat Mountain Dew when we got the tartar. And we got the good old-fashioned poutine. That's, if you guys are from England or anything like that, what it is it's a fries. And gravy. Usually the gravy's beef, sometimes it's chicken. And what's that?
It's chicken gravy.
No, I was saying sometimes it can be beef, sometimes it can be chicken.
Okay.
What do you prefer, the chicken or the beef?
I prefer like it together, like in a mixture.
Well, nobody does that, Trish.
Yeah, Heinz does.
Okay.
That's why I love Heinz's gravy.
What do you eat more of, your poutine, or do you eat more of your lobster roll?
Well, I like to do like a mixture. I like to eat like a couple bites of my lobster roll, then some of a tin, and then, you know, just to like be good.
Okay. But yeah, I don't want my food to get too cold, so I'm going to eat my food, and then we could probably discuss why it is I'm getting a camper or trailer or fifth wheel. And that's a one-way Chesleo bridge founded by Chesleo in I think 1991. If you look, someone's fishing over there. Yeah, they're fishing over there, catching snappers, or I think there's a lot of bluegill. A lot of dang bluegill here. So I'm gonna meet you guys back at the house and have a little discussion. Yeah, on my way back home, I thought I'd just stop by the old salvage yard and show you guys some of the cars they got in. And if you guys want to buy some, you can buy some. Just go on their website and you can pick one up and fix it. So they got just a 2015 Sonata, just minor front end damage. Honda Civic here with a little bit more damage. This is a classic for all you Honda Civic lovers. I don't really know what is wrong with that. And then those are junk. And this one looks like it took very minor damage. Like some of these, all you have to do for this one, maybe put a bumper on it and a fender, and you got yourself a good little car. Loads of good ones. It's really good. Is this a good one?
No.
Not really? It looks good from the front. It looks like one of those cop cars, eh?
But they hit a move.
Yeah, but sometimes they're good deals, sometimes they're not.
What about this truck?
The back here.
That, one sec.
What about this truck, PJ? That's nice.
I'm gonna get out and see what this is. This is, what is this, like a CCM cycle? Nice bike.
It wasn't for the back.
What year is this?
Oh my God, a new one. 17 or 18.
Oh.
It wasn't for that.
Yeah.
The rest is bolt down, the door and the fender, but
Oh, and it's the EcoBoost 4-wheel drive.
yeah.
Wow.
That's an expensive vehicle.
Yep, and it comes straight out of Labrador, so you know it's been on dirt roads. Wow. Yeah, everything looks real good on this. Jeez.
It's new.
Wow. So you'd need to do at least the hood, the windshield.
It's the fender. It's to fix the back end too.
Yeah.
The fenders are bolt down, the doors are bolt down. The pillar.
Like, I mean, if you didn't want to.
The color. I don't know if it backed that up or.
Oh, yeah. 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 Well, it still shuts. I mean, do you think if you put all the front parts on it and made it good, that the back here, and you pulled it out good enough to get a light in, you could pass the inspection part where you could get it at least on the road?
I don't know what they want for airbag now. They all gotta be in or.
Yeah.
It's gonna blow the front, the side. This thing is new, huh?
Oh, I know. Clean up some of that glass and, geez, you got a good car. Wow.
That.
This, on the other hand, this is a gem, huh? All the airbags deployed and...
That's an expensive vehicle.
Jeez. But I was looking at this truck here, and the truck looks good shape from this side.
Yeah.
But I don't know what it's like on the other side, you know? But the truck looks good. Anybody that's looking for a Ford... Oh my, the fender doesn't even need to be replaced. I think it's just the window.
The back, the box.
Oh. And boxes for these are probably a pretty penny, aren't they?
You can get a side. You can replace the side.
Jeez.
But now, when you replace it,
When you replace the box, like these are aluminum boxes, right?
you can change that. You can change that border.
And it also looks like the rear window too. Yeah. Do you do any body work or?
Oh, I buy some
Yeah.
for myself.
I think the only thing I bought from here was a Sunfire, and I bought a Sunfire from here and fixed it, and then it had a rebuilt title, and I ended up having more money into the car than it was worth on, say, selling it on, you know, Kijiji and stuff like that. So I thought, you know, this is only good to buy newer cars.
For yourself.
Yeah, newer cars for yourself, because nobody wants vehicles with rebuilt titles. But if you're okay with driving a car with a rebuilt title, well, then it's awesome for you, and I personally would.
That's all I drove all my life.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I never drive. Well, you drove bikes, right? But yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
And
Check in the corner.
no, is that like stuff they're preparing to put out front here on the lot?
You got the new stuff.
Okay.
And they're not processed, they go right in the corner.
So those are like freshly impacted.
Usually that's why you gotta buy them.
Okay.
When they reach here,
Yeah.
nobody wants them.
Okay.
You gotta come and check in the corner.
So how did they declare whether they're going to take it from there and put it out here, or strictly part it out?
And what they figure they can get for it.
Okay. But this is, I'd say this is probably one of the better salvage yards in this greater Moncton area.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, hey, we'll see you next time. yeah, that was actually not a setup or anything. I just stopped by and seen someone else that was checking out the vehicles. So they're a hot item to buy trash vehicles. Alright guys, back at the house, and what I meant was I was going to talk to you, is I was going to show you a little bit about my truck, my Dodge Ram. Whoa, it's really windy out, excuse the wind. Like I said, I'm getting that micro muff, and it's the Ram 2500 Cummins turbo diesel XD rims. I do have the center caps. They look like this. It's just one broke off and I ordered it via internet. But yeah, so as you can probably tell, I changed my clothing again. It's pretty much the next day. So what I did was I went down to the camper show during hours and picked up a camper. Now everything's got to get finalized, blah blah blah, get done, but it's got the sold sticker on it, so it's pretty much going to be good to go. And I'm going to use that for pretty much anything, camping, races, you name it, where you can have a fifth wheel, and I'll be there. If you guys are interested, before I get out the video of the walkthrough of the camper and stuff, it's a Bighorn. That's the brand of camper. So I took you on a little journey. We went to get the campers. They were closed. I'm sorry. We went and ate Chesleo. It was delicious. You guys, well, next time you guys are in town, I'll make sure that we go to Chesleo together. And I showed you a little bit of the truck. Now, it's really windy today. The next day, really windy. Just know that this truck will have no problems hauling the fifth wheel. Now let me show you. It's a tad dirty because, well, it needs to be cleaned, but it's got leather interior, and yeah, it's got a little cut in the seat, but that's nothing. And overall, it's got a great cockpit. So this is already on the road. It's ready to go. It's ready to do some hauling, pretty much. So I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but oh yeah, it also has the yours truly, the famous sunroof. So you're gonna have no issues with that. And in the back here, it's got a little bit of space for like subs, and I don't mean food or anything like that. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not gonna have the camper in the next video. It'll probably be something else, like geez, I don't know. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. And if you do happen to subscribe, hit the little bell right next to it, and you'll get notifications for my next upcoming videos. Soon as I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. Something to just show appreciation for everybody that's followed me along on my journey. And if you don't like my video, hey, give me a thumbs down, which means a dislike, and leave a comment saying why you didn't like the video. I guess that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.